from here, we're gonna go. We're gonna just open them up here a little bit. Grab this, we have this here. Take the space, grab the wrist, and come up here. So we're gonna hold on to the foot in here. Straight in here. We're gonna compress here. Then we're just gonna take them down this line. Really, it becomes a shiodori, right? We're gonna take them along this line here. So we go. Then we can even just drop it here. So here, boom, 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 here, get into here, level 2, right? We're gonna come in here, take this, he goes stiff, boom, kick into here, now he's softer. Boom, 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 here, right? Boom, here. You take a minute, he goes stiff. Yeah, kick. I had his thumb, I was covering it, tension was on, he put that arm down. I stepped on this one, put pressure there, forgot about that. Grasp on that, his head comes up, then I get to hit the head.
Now I get to do it. I get to do all this stuff. And he goes, boom! And then we do it.
Nice. The last one.
Okay. Two, three, four. Oh, yeah. So it becomes where we're going to be here. He does the punch. Boom. Boom. Here, boom, right into here, right? And then we go to the Takedowns. And then for level 3, we just fly off that. It's like we're going to take it. Oh, no, we're probably not going to get it. So we strike into here. And we just take it. Timing is right. Boom. Then we can just go right in. And then we should be here. And here, we fly off of that. Boom. I'm stepping off, so it just comes right by. Just right by. Just right by when I get the opening is right there. Right? Then I'm just working around this point. Tightens up. Boom. Big punches. Boom. There's it. See it? Right when it goes by.
After.
Right when that flies by, then bam. Yeah. So that last punch, just boom, boom, boom. It didn't work.
But see, yeah, because that impressed me, because, I mean, I was like, honestly, it was on my shield. I was like,
Here, we come here, and here. So actually we're coming down like we're gonna hit, and we're really retracting down, boom, and then that's just gonna go down. Then we're gonna start tying them up with the belt, right? Then we're gonna take a key home here.
hey, Solly, be careful on one of these.
here, foot's facing the direction it needs to go, hands within reach. So now I just take crossbody up, step. Now we're gonna move it over and then come here and step. So the idea is to flip it up to here, move it over, cover, and this is gonna come up and this is happening here. And the idea is up, then we can move it over, cover. I'm just stepping off here, foot's facing the direction. Now my hand's within reach here, so I can go to here. If he pulls it back, I'm gonna still go for this down.